Be mine, unraveling the phrase. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, be mine. It's a simple yet deeply emotional statement used in the English language. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how it's used, and the emotions it conveys. Be mine is made of two words. 1. Be, a verb that indicates existence or identity. 2. Mine, a possessive pronoun that denotes ownership by the speaker. Put simply, be mine means belong to me, or become my possession. However, it's essential to understand that this phrase isn't about material possession like owning a car or a house. It's about a much deeper connection. When someone says, be mine, they're expressing a deep desire for someone else to be a part of their life or to have a close relationship with them. This phrase is commonly associated with romantic feelings. For instance, it's often used in romantic contexts, such as during Valentine's Day or in love songs. Imagine a scenario where two people have been getting to know each other and developing romantic feelings. One might say, be mine, as a way of expressing their desire to enter into a committed relationship with the other person. The phrase, be mine, is most appropriate in intimate or close relationships. Some contexts include 1. Romantic cards or letters. 2. Love songs. 3. Proposals or expressions of deep affection. It's not a phrase you'd use casually or with acquaintances. It's deep, personal, and filled with emotion. Note, ensure the other person understands the weight of this phrase. Using it lightly or without genuine intention can be misleading or may come off as insincere. Be mine is a beautiful expression of desire and longing in the English language. It goes beyond the literal words and taps into the realm of feelings and emotions. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of its meaning and usage. Remember, words have power, so use this phrase sincerely and with genuine intention. Happy learning!